Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the correct RGB Fusion version is installed for your motherboard. This avoids driver conflicts. Once done, connect every LED header to the labeled pins and secure cables so signals aren't inverted. Run the program as administrator so it can write profiles to firmware. This is critical. Make sure other lighting apps are closed to prevent control clashes, and reboot if Windows prompts. Doing that first saves troubleshooting time later. You will now build usable lighting profiles. Start a new profile, name it for the task, and add layers for each zone, fans, strips, GPU, so changes are modular. Apply color, speed, and effect per zone. That lets you tune brightness separately. Use timeline triggers or app/game detection so profiles switch automatically when you start a program. Once configured, export a backup profile file and enable Cloud Sync when available so you're set up. Finish by calibrating brightness and color temperature so LEDs match other peripherals. This improves visual coherence. Save final profiles and lock them to headers if the app allows. That prevents accidental changes. If you encounter flicker or non-responsive LEDs, first reset connectors and confirm they are on the correct header type, addressable versus standard. Then update BIOS and RGB Fusion drivers. If problems persist, disable conflicting startup utilities and try a cold boot. That often clears stateful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.